ஃப்ரெண்டு அவாத்துக்கு வந்திருக்கோம் நாங்கள். ஸோ அதனால் அவள் வீடு அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட் அதை பற்றி சொல்லலான்னு இருக்கேன். மாமா சொல்கிறீங்களா?
Hi all. Now I am going to introduce one beautiful apartment in Bangalore. Location is Basavanagar. I will be giving the location details and the address in the description box. Now let me introduce about this apartment. This is 15 houses G+5, that is ground floor plus 5 floors. Each floor has 2 BHK and 1 BHK.
So totally 3 houses.
Yeah, totally 3 houses on a floor. So like that we have 5 floors. So now we are seeing the vehicle parking here, and which has enough space covering the entire vehicles, which can be sufficient number of cars and two-wheelers can be parked. And here is the lift which is getting built. Yeah, in a week's time this will be done. Yep. Now we are going to the first floor.
Even this flooring also they are done with the laminate.
Yeah, flooring, the staircase is granite, and we'll see what are the amenities available inside the house. Once it is done, probably we will discuss about the other facilities given. Yeah, now before we get into the house, let me tell you, this is very strategically located. You can see this side is Basavanagar on off Old Airport Road. From Basavanagar bus depot, this place is less than a kilometer when you come inside. And straight, if you see this side, this is Dodanakundi Lake. So just lake view you get in front of your house. And this way, this side, right side, if you go, there is all SEC zone. And you have the total mall and the old outer ring road.
Outer ring road.
That outer ring road. Yeah.
Companies are located.
There's so many companies are there.
Yeah, you
and
can see the board there, no?
Yeah. You have Samsung, you have
Ericsson.
Wells Fargo. This side is Dodanakundi. Okay, so we're very strategically located and very thoughtfully designed. So now we are getting into the house. This is a 2 BHK. This is the main hall, and window and door is teak, and you have the sufficient lighting with window curtains, and the flooring is vitrified tiles, and you have here one more window on the same hall. Ventilation is there, sufficient sunlight you get, and this is the TV unit is given, it comes along with the house, and here you have the curtain for kitchen and the toilet to cover, and this is the major puja room you have. So this is you are facing east while praying. This is the master bedroom. You have the ventilation here, attached bath, and the cupboards furnished with the ceiling fan. Enough space is given in the cupboards. Lightings all done. Toilet is spacious.
Spacious like this is difficult, no?
Yeah,
Bathroom all together, then nice.
it's nice. We are going into the another bedroom. This also comes with the cupboards. Yeah,
Cupboards, both the rooms
cupboards are given. Yeah.
So we need not to worry about keeping the things, no?
and then here the common toilet.
Shower and all.
Yes. Up to 7 feet tiles done with a shower, western toilet, and we get into kitchen. Closed kitchen. Yeah, east facing modular kitchen. Shelf is given here. Cupboard is given. Ventilation is there. Lighting is there. Cupboards.
Silver, so no need of
This is the second cabinet.
to keep the cylinder. I think.
Yeah, that is for the cylinder.
And here there is
So here this is your east. This side is east. So when we cook, we face east while cooking. This is a balcony.
Southeast corner.
So here one tap is given, so you can keep your utilities, washing machine,
Cylinder, gas
cylinder.
balcony.
So this is the other side of the road.
balcony is made.
So this area is called Kalapa layout. I will give you the complete address in the description box for your reference.
Silent place.
Nearby API, Brahma.
Very neat place. This side in Basavanagar, this is actually off Old Airport. From Old Airport Road, it's about 2.5 to 3 kilometers, and from Basavanagar bus depot, it is less than a kilometer. And you have ISRO, DRDO, HAL, BEML, all nearby this side, Basavanagar side. And if you go this outer ring road side, you have all software companies, special economic zone, SEZ companies.
This is the road to go to outer ring road, no?
This way you go to the outer ring road,
That
and
is
from
Marthavalli.
here it is 2 to 2.5 kilometers Marthavalli flyover, that bridge. This is 1 BHK. Pattern is same. Here teak door, and you have the TV unit, lighting, windows in the hall. Main door is not. And here you have utility wash basin, and this is the toilet, common toilet. So this is the speciality here, puja room in 1 BHK. Normally in Bangalore we won't find puja room separately for 1 BHK. This is the owner is a sweet person. I will introduce after this. And this is the kitchen. As usual in the cabinet, modular kitchen is given, provided for 1 BHK also. Same thing is done. You have the shelves here, cupboards.
You also the exhaust fan.
Good to here also exhaust fan.
Outside
Ventilation is there.
Washing machine and
This is the balcony for 1 BHK, and this is the tap is given for washing machine. I mean, washing machine, and you can give any common utility space.
They can keep even cylinder there.
Yeah, you can even cylinders can be kept outside. Very beautiful view outside. Full of houses. This area is fully developed, but still it is very peaceful. This is one more 1 BHK. It's fully done. Now we are going to the terrace, open terrace on the 6th floor. Just behind this house, you have this Cry School. Now getting built, and they have up to 8th standard, and every year they are increasing one standard. So now you have till 8th.
And nearby,
Nearby we have Narayana, So a lot of schools, HL Public School, a lot of schools.
And hospital.
Yeah, hospital. Jivika Hospital is nearby, walkable from here. It's about 1 kilometer. Jivika Hospital. It's a big hospital. Outer Ring Road. Outer Ring Road is actually, if you many people will know, but I am saying Outer Ring Road. If you go, it is almost like US. You have all US companies. Almost all US companies you can find on the Outer Ring Road, and many hospitals, of course. So now we are on the terrace, open terrace, and here you can see the full view. As I told you, this is the lake, Dodanakundi Lake, and this is the software companies and bank and special economic zone area. You have all kind of software industries. This is walkable from here, from this place.
Another walking space is there, no?
The walking track is there around the lake. We usually go there.
122 acres of lake.
122 acres, and here you have Dodanakundi, which is connecting Outer Ring Road. Slightly, if you come this way, this is the old airport road, and here you have HAL. It's the main location. From here to Basavanagar bus depot, it's less than a kilometer, and if you go this way, it is about a kilometer to Total Mall. Yeah. So it's a very strategically located and very beautifully and thoughtfully designed apartment, and moreover, above all, safety is there, fully developed area, and house owner is a nice person. I've been knowing him for past 5-6 years. I will introduce him to you all. He is Mr. Narayan Swami. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
So now we want to know a little bit of statistics about the apartment. So you please tell us about the area, maybe in a carpet area, and how many 1 BHK, how many 2 BHKs, and the rent and other details. So what are the facilities? What is the rent inclusive of all that?
Yeah, definitely. Basically, it is facing towards east. The houses are all on this site. I have constructed totally 15 houses.
Okay.
So 10 units of 1 BHK and 5 units of 2 BHK.
Great, sir.
So all the houses, main doors are facing towards north,
Okay.
and the house is fully Vastu compliant. So single 1 BHK house consists of around 600 SFT carpet area, and around 700 SFT area for the including common area.
areas.
Yes.
Okay.
And 2 BHK is concerned, it is around 1000 square feet of carpet area, and that including car parking also provided for 2 BHK house,
Okay.
and enough two-wheeler parkings for both 2 BHK and 1 BHK houses. So here one of the important point is that we have enough water. 24/7 water can be provided here,
Okay.
without any including even peak summer. So absolutely no issue of water constraint here.
Okay.
So in addition to that, we have a security. So we have provided CCTV cameras,
Okay.
and all house will be all houses windows have been provided with UPSC windows with curtain rods and curtain brackets.
Okay.
So I'm quoting I'm fixing the 2 BHK house for rupees 25,000 rupees including maintenance,
Okay.
whereas 1 BHK it is 15,000 rupees including maintenance.
Okay.
So for 2 BHK advance 1.5 lakh, for 1 BHK it is 75,000 rupees.
Okay. So it's 5 months advance.
Yeah, 5 months advance.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this rent is inclusive of maintenance.
Maintenance. So all amenities including lift,
Okay.
power backup,
Okay.
and security, general maintenance.
Okay. So rent is inclusive of
All this.
maintenance and
Yes, yes.
lift maintenance.
All these
So
things.
you will take care of lift maintenance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And of course 24/7 water.
Yeah.
And security you will take care of
Yes.
the security.
Yes.
So the tenants have to pay only the rent.
Yes.
Okay. Great, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very much.
So this is the 5th floor. marbles on staircases. Sorry, granite. And this is 4th floor. Corridor. Pattern is same. Main thing about this building is very strategically located. So almost everything is available in a walkable distance. You can just walk and go to the school, to the hospitals, to the movie theater. Total mall is walkable. This is the third floor. A silent area. The second floor.
See the, you can show the Same thing.
Corridor.
On the floor, same thing.
All the
First one
same-
is two
same
bedroom
pattern.
And other one is other two is a single bedroom.
Yeah. Lift is getting ready. It will be owner said it will be done in a week's time. This is a vehicle parking. It's a panel board. Once the transformer and generator is done, he'll finish the lift. Yes, sir. You have something to say? Transformer and the generator is fixed. The flooring will be done, and then lift will be done. So probably a week or two, the entire thing will be ready. And this is the sump. The beauty of this, this has the capacity of 20,000 liters of water, and the overhead tank is 6,000 liters. So water will never go insufficient for the tenants.
Current also is separate.
Yeah, separate transformer. That's what I told. Separate transformer and the generator will be done. So there is no power supply issue. These are the security family people.
Constructed separate also.
For the security, separate house is done. That's all from our side. I will give you the location. I will pin the location in the description box, and his name and the telephone number there in the details. So further any clarification, any questions you have, you can contact him, and for the visits you can check for the details and check for the routes, and you come and see the place directly in person. That will be good. Thank you guys. Bye.